Hi, today we'll reflect on the leadership in the IPL. During IPL 2024, the Mumbai Indians witnessed a significant leadership transition as Rohit Sharma, known for his past successes, and captaincy, handed over the baton to Hardik Pandya. However, this shift wasn't without its challenges as the team faced defeats under Hardik Pandya's leadership in the first three games, fueling discontent among the fans, which highlighted the importance of effective communication and adaptation during the transition. People often forget that in the earlier edition of IPL, the Mumbai Indians were down 0-5 under the leadership of Rohit Sharma, but actually managed to recover. The team's resilience helped them bounce back from those challenging situations. One incident of Hardik's surprise gesture of sending Rohit Sharma to field in the boundary line in the first match emphasized the complexities of leadership transitions and the emotions that were involved then. So, rational decision making and transparent communication were needed during these leadership changes. While it wasn't Hardik's fault for being appointed as captain, the owners actually could have handled the transition better, ensuring clarity and alignment with the team and with the fans. Amidst this backlash, it is essential to sympathize with, I think, both Hardik and Rohit, as they aren't to blame for the division created by the crowd's reactions. This incident holds valuable lessons, applicable beyond cricket, particularly in the corporate world and life. So, what's the key learnings? Number one. Open and transparent communication is crucial for managing transition, expectations, and fostering stakeholders' trust. The second learning is merely changing titles isn't enough. Leaders must adopt a holistic approach, shifting mindsets to adapt effectively to the new roles and responsibilities. The third learning is recognizing and appreciating the predecessor's contribution. Actually, it fosters continuity and respect within the team, which actually leverages their strengths for the future successes. Number four is facilitating open dialogue between the outgoing and incoming leaders facilitates transition in the process, which actually fosters alignment and the continuity within the team. The fifth learning is building a culture of ownership and shared purpose enhances the team's bonding, enabling members to navigate the challenges and achieve the common goals effectively. Now I have a couple of questions for you to reflect on. Number one, how can you nurture trust in your relationships through open and honest communication, drawing from your own past experiences? The second question I have for you is, when facing obstacles such as, say, fear of unknown or resistance to change, how can you embrace the change and adapt to the new situations with resilience? These are two questions I want you to think about. Just to conclude, the leadership transition in the Mumbai Indians franchisee during the IPL 2024 underscores the importance of effective communication, embracing change, and acknowledging the predecessor's contribution. So, by applying these lessons, individuals can actually navigate transitions more effectively, both in personal and professional life. We need to strive to build trust, embrace change, and appreciate the journey of growth and adaptation in all aspects of life. And that's all in this video. If you like this, please do click the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that as and when a new video is launched, you will get a notification. Thank you, and bye-bye.